Hello guys, welcome back to Video Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Outriders Matchmaking unavailable error on your PC and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what I wanted to tell you is when you're having these kind of errors regarding on your PC, so you just have to close the game and you just have to reboot the game. This is what I have to say technically. You just have to reboot the game. By rebooting the game, most probably the issue regarding matchmaking will be completely fixed, and this is the first solution which I would like to give you guys. And that is not working, then what you have to do is you just have to change your internet connection. So make sure that if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, you just have to make sure that you're having enough amount of internet connection, which means you are able to get into the internet, so you just can search something in between. So it is all good to go. So you just have to make sure stuff that you're having internet connection. This is the second step. And moving on to the next solution is I would like to make you notice is just check yourself for not only for the Outriders, for any games you're having the issue, you just have to check yourself whether they're having any kind of server issues. So you just have to check for the official, so you just have to check for it, and also make sure that you are always getting update from the Twitter of the official account, so you'll be getting so much amount of things over here. So you can make sure yourself that whether they are going through any kind of server issues, and if the server issues, then we can't do any technical step. It's all in the official hands, so you just have to wait for it. And also apart from that, if it's not a server issue, then you have to check yourself for the power cycle your router. So to do this, you just have to turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi routers as well as your power cycle routers. So you just have to do this up, and most probably by doing this, it used to help. Most of the cases it used to help in my experience. You just have to you just have to power route your your routers, and this is what you have to do. And the last and the least one step which I would like to make you notice, you guys, is you just have to check for any kind of updates you're having. So if you're on the Epic Games as well as on the Steam, so you just have to check for the game if any kind of updates are there. Just do the updates, and most probably by doing this, the complete issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment sections, or so we will look onto it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.